In front of me is Huawei Pura 70 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard's theme. Begin by launching settings and scrolling all the way down to access system and updates. Then click on language and input. And if you are using Celia keyboard, tap on it here. Now just click on theme and apply the best one by tapping on it. As you can see, after that, theme of mine has changed. If you are using a Microsoft keyboard, click on it here. Then select themes. And to apply one of those under gallery or yours, just tap on it. If you wish to customize it instead, select Custom at the top right corner. Hit Start. Select Add Image and click on any image that you wish to use as your new keyboard's background. Pinch it to scale, drag it to move, and adjust the background darkness by swiping left or right on this slider. Then hit Done at the top right corner to save it. Adjust key borders thanks to this switcher and then click on Save at the top right corner. So when I go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!